So guys, gonna show you how to fix the Roblox that unloading screen in your desktop. So before you continue, don't forget to subscribe. Locate Roblox Play and hit right mouse click. Head over to properties and click on file location. Now locate Roblox Play repeated. Head over, click on right mouse click again and head over to properties. The compatibility should make sure you execute this as a Windows 8 and execute this as an administrator. Make sure you token this on. And this is pretty much it, guys. You can also deactivate optimization in full screen mode and hit apply and OK, and this should fix your problem. And that's it, guys. Your work is done. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment.